Battery die. Got my 4S Mojave out today. Want to do a quick speed test, and I want to do a quick servo test. See how this thing works. See if this did I solve that cutting problem or not. It seems like it might be all right. Woohoo! Get into it. Seems like I got it. Yo, this thing is a beast. Suspension is on point. I think I could pull off a sideways. Yeah, the thing was causing it to cut was the servo. Oh! I think I could pull off a sideways. Oh, it would do it all the way down there, right? Oh, let me do a quick speed test. I'm playing around. First one was 45 miles an hour. Full throttle. Let's check that speed real quick. Got 50 miles an hour out of that. Yeah, I got 50 miles an hour. Cool. Now y'all can check out my light bar in the front. Check out the color change. Well, it's kind of daytime, so you can't really see it. All right. I'm gonna switch locations so I can bash it. Let's check that speed, then we're gonna switch location. That was 48 miles an hour. Next. Now I ain't doing another, I mean, this battery is half done, more than half done. I'm gonna see what I can pull off. And this grass kind of high, so yeah, she ain't doing that. Grass is way too high. I'm barely moving. Whoa! Thing almost took me out. In a dirt pile, but some dead grass. I need some good bashing spots. I really don't have nowhere real good to bash at. Not working for me. I need some rough terrain and all that good stuff. Yo, I hope I caught that. Mojaves do crazy flips. Yo, oh man. That was like a... I'm gonna try one more because I want to breaking something. I kind of did like that. Didn't happen that time. Ooh. Yeah, this thing is a monster, man. Let's see, can I get a side wheelie? Oh, I got one. I'm gonna go, I don't know, this is it. This is my last run till the battery die. Yeah, I like that little... No! Don't make me walk up. Alright. This thing is a blast, man. This thing is awesome. I mean, the only thing I say with this car, change out the servo. That's the only weak part about it. Everything else is great. The tires ain't gonna hold up. Well, not for me. All right, let me... The only thing needs servo. Servo ain't bad on here so far, but I can feel it's lacking. Oh, I'm tripping. Oh! Come on now. All right, let's see if I can get it back over. Yeah, I made it worse. That's it for me. I hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. And I'm out. It's a short course stunt truck.